Hey guys, welcome back to K-Scoop by K-Popish. YouTubers disrespect Jonghyun. YouTuber Void, who creates diss tracks, collaborated with controversial YouTuber Keemstar to create a diss track on K-pop fans. The song starts off with lyrics, "All stans are the same, they're rotting my brain," then goes on to insult K-pop idols and their fandoms. The song includes the lyrics, "I wonder why lately man they all are committing the S word," with images from SHINee's Jonghyun's funeral. K-pop fans were enraged and banded together to mass report the video for showing utter disrespect to Jonghyun by making fun of something so unfortunate. Baekhyun to enlist. EXO's Baekhyun came live on Instagram to chat with his fans, where he revealed that the end of March is the latest he can postpone his military enlistment. His third mini-album is set to release on March 30th, but as it turns out, he will not be able to carry out promotional activities for the same. I was thinking about how I can say this, and I thought I should only say the facts for my EXOLs to understand. The end of March was the cut line to enlist. So within that time, I am preparing everything from my solo album, Super M album and the group album. Baekhyun will be the 6th member of EXO to carry out his military service. Chen and Suho are already in the middle of their service, and Baekhyun will be joining Chanyeol, who previously announced that he would be enlisting by the end of March. Sungmin Sasaengs. Amongst many other idols, Stray Kids' Sungmin has also fallen victim to sasaengs. He took to Listen Messenger to express his discomfort to fans, saying, "What is with these sasaengs who wait in front of our dorms, even until this time invading our privacy? There are so many people who are being affected, including the company's bodyguards, the staff members, and even the residents. I'm sorry I wrote this here where so many of our stays who support us have to see this." Though last month JYP had announced that they would be taking legal action against sasaengs, it seems that they didn't stay true to their word. Brave Girls surpassed Twice's record. On March 22nd, Brave Girls became the girl group with the most perfect all kills in history. Their song Rollin' peaked at number 1 at all the Korean charts for a total of 198 hours, surpassing Twice, who previously held the record with 197 perfect all kill hours. The girls also appeared on the popular variety show You Quiz on the Block and broke the show's record for the highest viewership rating. The group appeared on the show on March 17th, the episode for which reached 5.302% viewership rating. This record was however later broken by BTS on March 24th, but it is still a significant feat nonetheless. Stop Asian Hate Movement. There have been many unfortunate cases of violence and hate crimes towards Asians lately, mostly due to the COVID-19 virus. People are spreading information about these hateful acts, calling out racists for their horrible behavior. A few K-pop idols have also spoken out about this situation. Jackson of GOT7 tweeted, "As an Asian myself, what has been happening is truly heartbreaking. Hatred and racism of any kind is not acceptable." While his member Mark tweeted, "We are all human beings who deserve to live without fearing that the color of our skin challenges our safety in America." GOT7 member JB also put up an Instagram story sharing the hashtag #StopAsianHate. While Amber of FX tweeted, "I'm speechless and disgusted by the news that I'm reading. It hurts me to call my mom from overseas to tell her to be careful in the States." Singer Eric Nam also did an interview on CNN where he talked about the issue. "I think it comes from a place of ignorance, from a lack of education and a lack of discourse.
In sense of the perpetual foreigner, I think it can be as casual as like, where are you from? Where are you really from? For me, it's always Atlanta, but it's as if I'm not from there. And I've also had, this is still a very common question, like, why is your English so good? Where did you learn English?" These types of things English is my first language, but in many ways it makes me feel as if, do I not belong here? Why am I here? And how do I identify? And I think
Other idols speaking out include 21CL, J Park, Alexa, and Epic High's Tableau. In other news, 17's Mingyu has been cleared of all allegations. and fans are now eagerly waiting for Going 17, which was unfortunately leaked a few days ago. 17 is also going to be performing on the Ellen DeGeneres show, making them the 4th K-pop group to do so. NCT Dream are going to make a comeback in April, and since it's their first time as a fixed unit, Mark will finally be joining them again, making fans extremely happy. Stray Kids ex-member Woojin has angered STAYZ once again. On March 25th, Kim Woojin announced his fandom name to be Cubs. However, March 25th happens to be the day Stray Kids made their debut, making this year their 3rd anniversary. Fans were not happy with Woojin using a significant date like this to announce his fandom name. And that's all from me today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press a like. Also, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.